Hey there, welcome to the video. Now you're here because you want to learn about the realistic income potential of selling low content KDP books on Amazon. This video will provide clear, actionable insights focusing on specific book types that are often overlooked. However, it will not cover popular categories like coloring books. Instead, I'll highlight other low content books that offer strong potential for consistent earnings. These books are a proven way to generate passive income as they require creation only one time and can sell for years without further effort. I've seen this firsthand with my own publications. Now, if you're new here, my name is Jeff and I've been self-publishing on Amazon KDP since 2019. Over that period, I published more than 2,000 books and earned over 6 figures in royalties. My goal is to help you become self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this aligns with your objectives, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to stay updated with future content. With that being said, let's get started. Now, the books I'm discussing are actually called logbooks. These books serve practical purposes like tracking mileage, habits, or specialized activities. They're effective because they face less competition than mainstream categories like coloring books, and publishers often neglect them despite consistent consumer demand. Logbooks meet essential needs and ensures that you can experience year-round sales and dependable income growth over time. Their lower competition and steady demand make them a reliable choice for building a sustainable income. Let me show you how. Now, one of these types of logbooks that you want to focus on is called the Debt Payoff Planner, also known as the Debt Payoff Logbook. And the reason you want to focus on this is because this type of niche has very low competition. If we take a look just right here at the total results of 487. Now, some factors that I look for when I want to give my book the best chance at selling well is going to be number one, search results. Now, I'm looking for search results that have about 1,000 or less because this is going to tell me that the competition is not too competitive. It's going to give my book a better chance, or probably the best chance, at getting ranked on the first page of Amazon so that it can be seen and it can be sold. Number two has to do with demand. I'm looking for 3 or more KDP books that all have a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below, because this is going to tell me that some of these books are already selling well right now, which means that there's some sort of demand here. And number 3, I'm looking for a niche score that's provided by a plugin that I use called Titan's Quick View, with simply a score of 50 or higher. So we see competition is fairly low for this niche. 487 means 487 other books that you're competing with for this given keyword. We see the niche score 62 above that 50 that I look for. And if we scroll through here, if I just hover over here, this plugin that I use is going to give me some more information. And we can see under publisher, independently published, which is what I always look for, which means that it's a KDP book. Bestsellers rank 215,000. So that is one book that is selling well. The one right next to it, well, it's not a independently published book, even though it has a good bestsellers rank. It looks like a KDP book. But if you just scroll through this niche, you're going to see some books selling very well. 85,000 right here, 154,000 BSR right here. So we know that a lot of books here are selling very, very well. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is a monthly bill payment tracker. Also in the title says Debt Payoff Planner. But if we just look at some of the metrics here, we can see 4.5 out of 5 rating, 70% overall. So when I see that the ratings are mostly 5-star, it means that the interiors of this book are fairly well done, which is something that you want to take a look at so that you can try to see what it's doing well and try to replicate it. Priced at $8.99. And this one is 108 pages and 8.5 by 11 inches. That is the typical size for this book, 8.5 by 11 inches. A lot of logbooks either are 6 by 9 inches or this book 8.5 by 11. And if we scroll down here, we can see some interiors. And so you can see monthly financial calendar, monthly bill payments, all very simple. As you notice, just a lot of boxes, some words here, and then a little bit more of the interiors, debt payment tracker, bank account information, some notes, all very easy to make. Actually, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started making this type of logbook without the hassle of creating these completely by scratch. Now, if we take a look at this bestsellers rank, we can see 37,826. So let me show you how much this book is making. So if we head on over to this Amazon KDP book sales calculator, I just put in the bestsellers rank 37,826, and we can see estimated book sales about 240 sales per month. So if we go ahead and use a calculator, put 240 here, and then go on over to Amazon's royalty calculator, put in all of the information here: paperback, black and white interior with white paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, page count is 108 with $8.99 list price. The estimated royalty is going to be $1.66 for the Amazon.com marketplace. Also notice that it is a 50% royalty rate with the new price adjustments. Anything priced below $9.99 is now slashed by 10%. It used to be 60%, but as you can see, 50% royalty rate. Estimated royalty, $1.66. So if we times this number by $1.66, we get about $400. Now keep in mind, you only have to make this one time, and this book can sell month after month, year after year, without you really having to touch it ever again. Now, another logbook that you can focus on that is low competition, high demand, is the Caregiver logbook. Now, I've made videos exactly on how to make this type of book, showcasing this niche on my channel. So feel free to watch those videos. But we see a niche score 64 above that 50 that I look for. So if we look at some of these books quickly at a glance, you can see, for example, this one ranked at 72,000, good selling book. This one ranked at 154,000. This one is at 93,000. And then this one is at 230,000. So you can see, as long as you get on the first page of this niche, you're going to sell very, very well. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is the Caregiver Daily Logbook. Very simple black and white cover with just the interior showcased on the cover, which is really all you need for logbooks. That's why I love making logbooks, because you don't really need design skills for the covers or the interiors. You just really need to know how to put them together. This book is 8.5 by 11 inches, a little bit more on the print length, 149 pages. But what I want you to notice is that price at $10.99, it still has a 4.6 out of 5 rating, 81% overall, a 5-star, which means that this book can be priced at more of a premium, even though it is just a logbook. Now, if we check out the interiors, we can see how simple it is. There is a bunch of lines and boxes, but once you start dissecting this interior, you can see that it's just very simple. Not a lot of words, not a lot of things. You can use AI like ChatGPT to help you get some of the information to include in this type of logbook. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the bestsellers rank, we see 62,215. So if we go ahead and put that into this book sales calculator right here, 62,215, we can see this book estimated 150 book sales per month. So if we go on over here, 150, and we're going to multiply that by the royalty rate, 149 pages, 8.5 by 11. This one's priced at $10.99. So if we submit that, we can see there's a royalty here estimated at $3.06. Now, before we put that into the calculator, if we price this at $8.99, I want to show you that the estimated royalty is only 96 cents. Now, if you price this at $9.99, which is that new price threshold that Amazon has set, you can see $2.46. That's a huge, huge difference. Just to give you an idea, $9.98, you're going to get $1.46 compared to pricing it 1 cent higher, which gives you a full dollar in royalties. So you want to think about pricing your books a little bit higher now, create better quality interiors so you don't have to worry about your royalties getting slashed. This one, $3.06. Let's get that calculator. Multiply $3.06. And we have $459 per month coming from this one book. Now, another book that you can focus on is called the Car Maintenance Logbook. As we can see, total results 1,000, a little bit higher, but there's a lot more demand for this type of book. We see the niche score even higher at 75, and the average bestsellers rank is actually below the 300,000 that I'm looking for. So on average, these books are ranking quite low. Now, we have this bestseller right here, Vehicle Maintenance Logbook. Let's check out the ranking, 5,709, price at $6.99. The book right next to it is probably similar interiors, priced a little bit lower at 5 cents lower, $6.95, ranked at 10,785. And then we have another one here, a little bit different size. This one's going to be more of a horizontal type of book, 17,000 bestsellers rank, priced a little bit higher at $7.99. And if we take a look at some more of these books, we have $6.99 ranked at 70,000, $6.99 ranked at 95,000. Now this book, $9.99, still has good ratings. The BSR is suffering a little bit at 282,000. So you're gonna have to play around with that. You want the higher royalties, but less sales, or more sales, a little bit lower royalties. You're gonna have to play around with that price to find that sweet spot. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bestseller in this niche, the vehicle maintenance logbook. And let's go ahead and scroll down to look at the interior. And this is basically all it is. I've made a video on this in the past, so feel free to watch that. But this one's very easy. You can kind of make the layout a little bit different, but it's a very simple type of book. You can actually just replicate this if you want and just make a cover that you think is better than this one. Now, if we go ahead and check out the bestsellers rank at 5,709, we can see that the estimated book sales for this book is 1,170 book sales per month. So if we go ahead and grab our calculator, put that in, we're going to multiply that by the royalty rate. This one is going to be a trim size of 6x9 and 122 pages. And the price point is $6.99. So if we submit that, this book makes about $1.03 per sale. Let's go ahead and grab our calculator and type that in. 1.03 equals $1,205 coming from basically just this type of interior. That is the power of KDP, and that's the power of logbooks. Now, if we go ahead and add all three of the book's incomes together, we have 1,205 plus 459 plus 400, we get $2,064 per month coming from just 3 logbooks that are selling well. Now, just imagine if you had dozens and dozens, if not hundreds of logbooks, and you only need a few to do well. Well, imagine the type of income you can create if you just focused on logbooks. Now, creating these types of logbooks isn't actually that hard. There's a lot of tools out there that help you with this. So I'm going to show you my favorite way of making logbooks that's not going to take up a lot of time. It's going to be fast, it's going to be easy, and it's going to allow you to create a lot of types of logbooks so that you can build up your library and hopefully start making some passive income. Now, if you just go to Creative Fabrica, make a search for daily caregiver logbook. This is one of the niches that we focused on. And you're going to see a lot of interiors here, actually 140 results. Now, you can use these interiors if you want. However, what you want to do is you want to look for the interiors that have this symbol Canva, or that say in their title, Canva editable template. Once you open this up in Canva, you can easily change a lot of the things in the interior. For example, you can change the font on it. You can change around the boxes. You can change the shading. You can change the positioning. You can go off of this and make your own. There's a lot of things that you can do with this type of template. You can do the same thing for car maintenance logbook. There's going to be a lot of interiors here that you can look through, give you inspiration. You can even replicate these if you want with no issues on Amazon. And then with the debt payoff planner, as you can see, 59 results. There's a lot here to choose from. I wouldn't look for one that you're just going to upload right away from Creative Fabrica. You want to look for these things like right here where it says Canva template, which means that once you load this onto Canva, you can go ahead and make changes, modify it, and make it your own. And then you can actually sell it on Amazon, get those reviews, get that ranking better so that this book can become a bestseller. This is how you can achieve a realistic income through Amazon KDP. Follow this approach and download my free KDP guide available in the description below to start implementing these strategies. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more KDP tips. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.